Welcome to our Kentucky travel guide, where we'll be exploring the diverse and exciting array of things to do in the beautiful state of Kentucky. From rolling hills and horse farms to vibrant cities and historic sites, Kentucky has something for everyone to enjoy. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the Bluegrass State, showcasing its rich history, stunning natural landscapes, and unique cultural experiences. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, foodie, or adventure seeker, Kentucky has it all. Get ready to discover the charm of small towns like Bardstown and Berea, the thrill of horse racing at Churchill Downs, the mouth-watering flavors of Bourbon Country, and the awe-inspiring beauty of the Red River Gorge. Kentucky is not just about fried chicken and bluegrass music, although those are definitely highlights. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the spirit of the South and experience true Southern hospitality. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the best of what Kentucky has to offer. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer vacation, this video will inspire you to pack your bags and explore the hidden gems of the Bluegrass State. But before we dive into our list, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Here is our bonus to you. Get exclusive discounted tickets to the top activities in Kentucky by clicking the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Kentucky. Explore the Bourbon Trail. Embark on a journey through Kentucky's iconic Bourbon Trail, where you'll discover the rich history and craftsmanship behind some of the world's finest bourbons. Visit legendary distilleries like Maker's Mark and Jim Beam, where you can witness firsthand the art of bourbon making that has been perfected over generations. As you tour these historic distilleries, you'll learn about the intricate process of bourbon production, from the selection of grains to the aging in charred oak barrels. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and aromas of the distillation process, and gain a newfound appreciation for the time-honored traditions that go into creating each bottle of bourbon. But the Bourbon Trail isn't just about history and education, it's also a feast for the senses. Indulge in tastings of different bourbon varieties, each with its own unique flavor profile and character. From smooth and mellow to bold and spicy, there's a bourbon to suit every palate. As you travel along the Bourbon Trail, you'll also be treated to breathtaking scenic views of Kentucky's rolling hills and picturesque countryside. Take in the beauty of the Bluegrass State as you sip on world-class bourbon and savor the moments of tranquility along the trail. The Bourbon Trail is a must-visit destination for bourbon enthusiasts and anyone looking to experience the true spirit of Kentucky. Horseback riding in Bluegrass Country. Saddle up and experience the beauty of Kentucky's Bluegrass Country from a whole new perspective with a thrilling horseback riding adventure. Explore the rolling hills, lush pastures, and scenic landscapes of this picturesque region as you trot along on a majestic horse. Immerse yourself in the equestrian culture of Kentucky by visiting renowned horse farms where you can witness the beauty and grace of these magnificent animals up close. Learn about the rich history of the horse breeding industry in the Bluegrass State, known for producing some of the world's finest thoroughbreds. As you embark on your horseback riding excursion, you'll be surrounded by the serene beauty of the countryside, with endless vistas of green fields and grazing horses. Feel the gentle rhythm of your horse's gait as you meander through the tranquil countryside, taking in the sights, sounds, and scents of Bluegrass Country. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, horseback riding in Bluegrass Country offers a unique and unforgettable experience for all. Enjoy a leisurely ride through the idyllic landscape, feeling the connection between horse and rider as you bond with these majestic creatures. Soak in the natural beauty of the region and create lasting memories of your time spent exploring the enchanting Bluegrass Country on horseback. Explore Mammoth Cave National Park. Step into the fascinating underground world of Mammoth Cave National Park, home to the world's longest cave system, and prepare to be awed by its natural wonders. Embark on guided cave tours that will lead you through a labyrinth of underground chambers, passageways, and breathtaking rock formations that have been millions of years in the making. As you venture deep into the depths of Mammoth Cave, you'll have the opportunity to learn about the history and geology of this remarkable cave system. Discover how the intricate network of caves was formed over centuries by the erosive forces of water and time, creating a subterranean wonderland unlike any other. Immerse yourself in the unique ecosystem that thrives within the caves, from delicate formations of stalactites and stalagmites to mysterious underground rivers and pools. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls Mammoth Cave home, including bats, salamanders, and cave crickets that have adapted to this dark and mysterious environment. Experience the awe-inspiring beauty and natural splendor of Mammoth Cave National Park as you explore its hidden depths and uncover the secrets that lie beneath the surface. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, or adventure seeker, a visit to Mammoth Cave promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of one of the world's most extraordinary natural wonders. Visit Churchill Downs. Immerse yourself in the exhilarating world of horse racing at Churchill Downs, the iconic racetrack that has been synonymous with the sport for over a century. Step into the grandstands and feel the excitement build as you prepare to witness live horse racing at one of the most historic tracks in the United States. Experience the thrill of the Kentucky Derby, the most prestigious and famous horse race in the country, held annually at Churchill Downs. Watch as majestic thoroughbreds thunder down the track, jockeys urging them on to victory in a display of speed, skill, and sheer determination. Feel the energy of the crowd as they cheer on their favorite horses, creating an atmosphere of excitement and anticipation that is truly electrifying. Delve into the rich history and tradition of horse racing at the Kentucky Derby Museum, where you can explore fascinating exhibits on the sport's storied past. Learn about the legendary horses, jockeys, and trainers who have left their mark on the world of horse racing, and gain a deeper appreciation for the art and athleticism of this beloved sport. Whether you're a seasoned racing fan or a newcomer to the world of horse racing, a visit to Churchill Downs offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of this timeless and thrilling sport. So come join us at the track and witness the magic of horse racing unfold before your eyes at Churchill Downs. Taste Southern cuisine in Louisville. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a culinary journey through the flavors of the South in Louisville, Kentucky. Indulge in the rich and savory delights of Southern cuisine as you explore the vibrant food scene of this charming city. Savor local favorites like crispy fried chicken, decadent bourbon balls, and hearty hot browns that are sure to satisfy your cravings for classic Southern comfort food. Whether you're a fan of savory, sweet, or spicy dishes, Louisville offers a diverse array of flavors that will leave you craving for more. Embark on a gastronomic adventure as you visit renowned restaurants and food markets in Louisville to sample authentic Southern dishes prepared with love and tradition. From cozy diners to upscale eateries, each dining establishment offers a unique twist on classic Southern fare, showcasing the best of Kentucky's culinary heritage. Experience the unique flavors and culinary traditions of Kentucky as you dine your way through Louisville, discovering the soulful dishes and warm hospitality that define Southern cuisine. Whether you're digging into a plate of crispy fried chicken or indulging in a sweet bourbon ball dessert, each bite will transport you to a world of comfort and satisfaction that only Southern cooking can provide. So come join us on a culinary exploration of Louisville's Southern cuisine scene and discover the delicious flavors and rich culinary heritage that make this city a food lover's paradise. Outdoor adventures in Red River Gorge. Prepare to immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of nature as you embark on thrilling outdoor adventures in the stunning Red River Gorge. Located in the heart of Kentucky's Daniel Boone National Forest, this natural wonderland offers a playground for outdoor enthusiasts seeking adrenaline-pumping activities and serene moments in the great outdoors. Hike through scenic trails that wind through towering rock formations, lush forests, and cascading waterfalls, immersing yourself in the rugged beauty of the gorge. Discover hidden gems and panoramic viewpoints as you explore the diverse landscapes that make Red River Gorge a hiker's paradise. For the more adventurous souls, Red River Gorge offers a plethora of adrenaline-fueled activities such as rock climbing, zip lining, and kayaking in the rugged terrain. Test your skills and push your limits as you conquer challenging cliffs, soar through the treetops, or paddle down the rushing river, all while surrounded by the awe-inspiring natural beauty of the gorge. After a day of thrilling adventures, unwind and connect with nature by camping under the stars in one of the gorge's scenic campgrounds. Fall asleep to the soothing sounds of the forest and wake up to the crisp morning air, rejuvenated and ready for another day of exploration and outdoor fun. Whether you're seeking heart-pounding excitement or peaceful moments of tranquility, Red River Gorge offers a diverse range of outdoor experiences that will leave you in awe of the natural wonders that Kentucky has to offer. As we come to the end of our Kentucky travel guide video, we hope you've been inspired to explore the diverse and exciting array of attractions and activities that the Bluegrass State has to offer. From sipping on world-class bourbon to embarking on thrilling outdoor adventures, Kentucky truly has something for everyone to enjoy. Recap the rich cultural experiences, from visiting iconic distilleries on the Bourbon Trail to indulging in delicious Southern cuisine in Louisville. Explore the natural beauty of Kentucky through horseback riding in Bluegrass Country, hiking in Red River Gorge, and discovering the wonders of Mammoth Cave National Park. We encourage you to start planning your trip to Kentucky and immerse yourself in the charm, history, and hospitality of this unique state. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, foodie, or adventure seeker, Kentucky promises an unforgettable journey filled with memorable experiences and warm Southern hospitality. Don't forget to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and family for more travel inspiration and tips. Join us on future adventures as we continue to explore the beauty and culture of destinations around the world. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you on our next adventure. Until next time, happy travels.